where they once gathered, to the shadowy graveyard where they are supposed to rest for eternity. The ghosts of movie lands past are alive and well in haunted Hollywood. Stories of the supernatural, fact or fiction. Through a veil of sightings and encounters, we catch a glimpse of our historical past on a journey through haunted history.
Get him, Jacob!
Hollywood. It is a city that began as a dream. A dream that lured thousands of restless souls to Southern California seeking fame, fortune, and immortality. Most never made it. Only a select few were able to climb to the top. Matinee idols whose success ushered in